AlphaTRAK blood glucose monitoring system. It's easy to use, it's accurate, and it can provide many benefits for your veterinary practice as well. Veterinarians choose AlphaTRAK 2 for pet blood glucose monitoring more than any other meter. Let's take a look at a few of the reasons why.
The advantage of this meter is it's calibrated for both dogs and cats, and the calibration is different, so you can get an accurate sample with this meter.
We know that human red blood cells have different concentrations of glucose in it, and the algorithm that's used to generate the blood glucose reading doesn't actually work and is not accurately reflective of a dog or cat's blood glucose reading.
Whereas human meters are inherently inaccurate, they actually underestimate the blood glucose between 20 and 30%, depending on the meter. So this is our product of choice, the AlphaTRAK for at-home blood glucose monitoring in the dog and the cat to have better outcomes for quality of life.
Those outcomes are further improved by properly utilizing clinic staff. Training staff to teach pet owners how to perform blood glucose testing at home and accurately record glucose levels not only saves you time, but it saves pet owners time as well. AlphaTRAK makes that easy too, with training materials and resources available with your order and on AlphaTRAKmeter.com.
The benefits for training veterinary technicians is key in a successful diabetic management in your practice.
They rely on us technicians to educate our clients. We have lots of documents that we use here as educational tools, helping them understand the process. They're handouts, they're little booklets, so they really do get sent home with a lot of information as well. One of the main things that we do is we refer them over to the AlphaTRAK website. It's a myriad of information, wealth of knowledge that they can gain from there. And I find that they have better success in understanding after they've processed everything that we've said in the room, and then they can go home and everything is reiterated in a really concise and informative format.
You can also increase engagement and manage communication with your pet owners through our Pet Dialogue app, new and available now at AlphaTRAKmeter.com. At Zoetis, it's our goal to help make AlphaTRAK an easy decision for you to prescribe, both clinically and financially. AlphaTRAK not only helps you provide more accurate treatment plans, the sale of the monitor and consumables produces revenue. Discussion of results can be done remotely, which frees up time in clinic. And this also reduces paperwork, resources, and other costs. What's more, you get full support from Zoetis. That, combined with more accurate blood glucose curves, yields better outcomes for the pet, which leads to increased trust and loyalty from your clients.
So I think ultimately a better controlled animal is a better client, owner, and patient relationship with the veterinarian in the long run too.
The continued contact that I have with these clients, I do feel that we form a bond between the client and myself and the pet, and it really does help that relationship and help them trust me to guide them.
I think all in all, routine diabetic monitoring equates to a better outcome for everybody involved in the management of that patient.